Hi everyone, this is Peter. Today open box gonna be this one, Wiregear Armorous Handgun Sight 2. This is a universal sight 2, and it looks pretty much similar. I mean from the pictures, because I don't have the other brand to show you. It looks pretty much similar to the other popular brand. My guess is they might make from same manufacturer or same factory. That is my guess, okay? I have nothing to prove that. But the reason I bought this one because it looked the same. I'm not sure if they're gonna be available for long time or forever or not. And the price of this one is about $99 from Amazon, okay? $99, and the other one that look really the same, and this one came out first as far as I am aware of. Basically the other one is about $230 around that price, okay, or $250, depending on where you get it from, okay? And as I said, it looked pretty much the same. From the look, it's exactly the same. I I zoomed the pictures that are available. I could say that 99% the same from the look, but I'm not sure about the material. Anyway, that's why I bought this one and take a look. But you can buy from Amazon, and if you're not happy, you have some of the products you have free return for 30 days, right? So why not? And this one is of course made in China. And it is work with wide variety of handgun slide. Okay, they don't use the word universal, but you know that, you know, the design and everything. It works for Glock, it works for 1911, it works for M&P, and most likely gonna work for your guns unless you have a very special one. Let's take a look, okay? So that we save some time. Open it up. I already opened it last night anyway, just to check. Okay, get a foam padding and get some hex wrench with some screws, replacement screws I believe, and all three sizes of the wrench that you may need in order to you know, for example, you may want to rotate this upside down, depend if you want the like more like almost 90 degree here, or you want like the table 45 degree here, okay? And from what I taste, this one is not, sometimes it's not that smooth, okay, but most of the time it's smooth. It may stuck a little bit, and it is heavy. It is heavy, okay? It looks like a good quality metal. I don't think it's aluminum, because aluminum probably would be lighter than this. This one is pretty heavy duty, okay? And you have the slide lock. You have 4 of them, and of course it comes with plastic. Is it plastic? Yeah, I think it's plastic. Okay, so it should not mark your slide. And this is, you can lock. You have 4 of them. You can lock them, and from the top you have this one to lock the slide down against with the base here. Overall, it's good quality made, I would say that. But one thing that I concern, and if I can remake it, I would make the thread here bigger. This one look to me is too fine. When the thread is too fine, I'm afraid that it may not be strong enough to push some you know, some sight that too tight, or some dovetail that probably too tight. Hopefully they have calculated it well, and it's gonna work, because the diameter here is also small and the thread is too fine. Even though they probably 1.5 inch of thread here, under here, oh yeah, there should be more than 1.5 inch that work all together at the same time, and to provide the force, enough force to put your sight. And because with 20 threads or so, right, within here, then the thread shouldn't be broken. yeah, maybe I worry too much. They probably decide better than I even decide myself. And I haven't tried to use it though, but you can read the review if there is any on Amazon site. And yeah, other than that, it is a universal. Okay. Oh, and yeah, by the way, I think, yeah, it may not be necessary, but if you want to put it on a vise, because I was looking into it, and maybe I'm gonna put it on a vise so that it can hold this one in place and the whole thing in place, and I can work on it much easier. You see here, even though it's not that deep, not even 1 centimeter, you probably can use the vise. No, I don't think here. I don't think you're gonna use the vise and clamp it here. You may clamp the vise somewhere here, just a little bit below the base, below this base. Okay, because I don't think you can clamp it here. It is not deep enough, and it probably come out easily. If I'm gonna put it on a vise, maybe if my vise is big enough, I may clamp it on the sideway actually. Yeah, if I clamp it here, yep, and I can still screw this one. Maybe no. If I clamp it here, I cannot screw this one. But yeah, you can clamp it this much, not to the top. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you have any question, let me know. I will try to find an answer for you. Okay, have a good day everyone. Yep, bye.